Hello, in this video we're gonna check if Fortnite is available on Motorola Moto E22. And to do this, first we'll need to check a few platforms, and the first one being Google Play Store. But as we all know, the game is not available here, but we can always try. No results. Now let's move on to Epic Games Launcher. You can download it from Epic Games Store website. Here click on Get, and we can find that this device is not supported for the Fortnite. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.